love is strangers. Believe me when I say, loving me is loving danger. Your heart is bound to break. I walk alone in the night, neath the pale moon. Loving's for the fools. Baby, beware of my bite. I'm alone, I'm alone, I'm a lone wolf. 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 I'm a creeping through the shadows and the corners of your mind. I go where the wind blows. I run but I don't hide. I hear the call of the wild, whispering the name. No, I can't be tamed. My heart belongs to the night. I'm alone, I'm alone, I'm a lone wolf. I'm a lone wolf.
Right, Lenny. Right, okay, so here we have the original large turbo. On the inside there, you just see in there the impeller, make note of that. We're upgrading to this hybrid turbo, which basically means it's a performance turbo from Turbo Dynamics. If you look at the impeller on the inside of this one, you can see there's twice as many vanes. The same goes for the little turbo, a more uprated version, give more power. The exhaust manifold as well has been ported and polished for better airflow, all in giving the car a lot more performance.